Yeah, that's my daughter screaming. That's my daughter screaming in the background, and she does it all the time now. So kids are fun when they are not screaming all the time. Why is it building so bad? What's broken here? Basically, I'm trying to release this app to. This is a thing I've been working on yesterday. Am I live streaming now? Yeah, I am. Good. Is my audio working? Why is it building so bad? Yeah, good. Audio is working. Hello. Just need to fix one pattern market and then marketing stuff. Planner. Yeah, so much stuff. So much exciting work to do. I'm actually doing like a video, finishing this video for like, it took me like a month already for 10 minutes video, but I've been doing a couple of other things as well, fixing errors and other things. So many things. So hopefully this time I can finish it today. Working with DaVinci somewhere here. And I've been actually just editing, just putting some screenshots to my lovely reading of my my app's content. And let me just view my let me just quickly do one thing on my phone. Sorry for that. Oh, okay, so planner. Yeah, good. This one is up. So I've been working on this as well as on deploying the other stuff. And did you fix it? Yeah, okay, let's see. Update. Because this is my favorite. Actually, app is my favorite name, favorite way of committing things. Favorite message for Git. Okay, let's see if this time it's gonna go. Maybe I need to do another pull request on GitHub. Do I? Is this something I have to do now again? Pattern market. Is this being... Oh no, it's building now. Okay, so I'm building it on Verso. Too many tools. I just keep on, I just have to learn all of them one by one. That's not the quickest thing to do. Yeah, let's make a poll actually. I have some kind. I wrote down a couple of ideas other day for some polls, so let's just do one of them. Which is Rust AI to write. Okay, this is something I wrote yesterday. Best way to learn programming. Courses and tutorials. Yeah, that's a good one. So let's just ask one more question here. Poll. Start a poll. Rebuilding real projects. Courses and tutorials. Struggling Googling. Working with other devs. I think all of them are great. My favorite is actually building real projects while doing courses and tutorials. Those would be my favorites. And because it's good to know basics, so that's where tutorials come in. Although working with other people, that's a great one as well. I think all of them are best. Like, it's really hard. Okay, except maybe struggling and Googling. That's just basically building a real project. So that's basically struggling and Googling, which now is much more AI. Obviously, we do less Googling now, much more AI-ing. That's probably not the word. but it's still like even this, you know, this is struggling and googling, or maybe not googling, but just clicking through, trying to get it right. So yeah, the best way to learn building real projects. That's one vote for now, and we should have more, I hope. Let's just play some music, and I really have to research some more music because I'm getting bored of this. Maybe I'm just saying it too often, although it's a good music. I really like it, and probably like if you've been listening to me a bit, then it's probably not so hard for you to listen. Maybe not, I don't know. Do you still enjoy it, or is my local Polish folk music still okay for you, or like for me, I love those songs, I love those girls dancing there, but it's I heard it a couple of times already, maybe too many times. Okay, how is my deployment going on? This is obviously I've got some Atlas. Okay, no. This is where are some logs? Shit. Wake up, Vercel. You seem to be, I think you're lost, aren't you? Pattern market. Yeah, go here maybe. Is this up? Is this building? Is this built? I don't know. Okay, this is just some logs. Isn't built or not? Merge okay, 53 minutes ago. That's the latest or what? Okay, this went to the last message. Build logs. Is this fine? No? Maybe here actually I will be. Still like a latest oh, 53 minutes ago. Okay, let's just create a new pull request. Maybe this will help. So it's Firebase. Is there anything new? Yeah, okay, create pull request. Maybe that's the reason. Create pull request and let's just merge it. Merge pull request. This should actually build now. Yeah. Are you gonna build or not? We'll see. I'll just add a post actually on YouTube, or maybe here. I can post something, create a post. Is build. Also back to planner. And vibe. I don't know actually if I will be vibe coding so much today. Maybe I am. I'm trying old image. Maybe I should actually create new images so people are not thinking that I'm just talking about the same stuff all the time. I think it's always different. Good. Okay, let it build now. Is it building? I think it is actually here. Code, I think it's here actually. 2 minutes ago, and build has failed. Can you show me why? Okay. Again, I think it's the same error. Shit. Yeah, okay, I think we are, because I've been doing some global variables in CSS, and this is not very reliable, I think. It's can be a nightmare. Yeah. Still get this. Figure it out, please. Yeah, basically you have to sort out imports of those. Okay, is this... yeah, SaaS color. Is this a solution? I don't know. Value CSS. Let's see how I do it in other places. Okay, no. Yeah, this is like your import everything. This is actually a place where I prefer, oh, actually, yes, CSS. I prefer actually JavaScript for this, so I can import like variables from, like if I'm going to import stuff from other place, I'd rather actually do it slightly different. Yeah, I don't know. Is it gonna work or not? Is this use and use import? Yeah, looks like. Yeah, okay. Maybe this will work. I obviously expected this to be live by now. But as always, you know, we just have to struggle it through. Maybe that's why my question here today in the poll is correct, because like I think struggling and googling is a part of a job, and sometimes you have to really struggle for a while to progress. And unless you really, yeah, I think I actually like my most popular short was actually about, you know, learning through struggle, which is obviously painful. Okay, I have too many things open, so okay, like are we? Oh yeah, pull request again. GitHub. Let's close this Vercel thing. Pattern market. Yeah, okay, updated now. Yeah, it's a... Okay, create new pull request again. Thanks, no, nothing. Okay, this sneak stuff is crap. Okay, now... Are we better now? It's... I don't know. I mean, I don't know, like it's actually fixing all of the problems. Create pull request. Merge pull request. Merge, okay. Yeah, I don't know if it's actually fixing all the problems, because it seems like maybe... Yeah, I don't think like it's all of them. Is this like copying like a bit of the message? So do I have to like... Don't know. Sounds weird actually. Oh, okay. No, go away. Why am I open here? No, not this. Okay, let's go to Vercel again. This is not the... This is not how I wished it went. And let's verify details. Because I think like, it's gonna still break. Yeah, obviously it does. Because like there's... I think there's less errors, but they're still there. So let's just do... Warning, don't worry about warning. Failed to compile. Yeah, okay. So I want to copy up to here. Okay, manage patterns. So it's actually, I think it didn't manage patterns, yeah. Fix that as well. Manage patterns. Yeah, I think that's... Keep, okay. Maybe that will fix it, okay. Yeah, this is weird. I didn't really work with it that way. I probably would have to check the documentation, how it's actually those days. How is this CSS modules work? I didn't actually, to be honest, I didn't look into it, CSS modules for many years. Modules. React. Documentation about CSS module. Yeah, module CSS, okay. Okay, yeah, CSS modules. I think like, is there anything newer? CSS styling, that's probably in line. Yeah, okay, so that's just, yeah, whatever. Let's just try to make it work. That's it. That's how I want it. Oh yeah. Again, GitHub. Pull request again. That's That's not the quickest way to do it, but I mean quickest. Pull request. New pull request. Good. Firebase. In this pull request, I was doing quite a lot about Firebase. That's why the name is that way. Okay. Commit. Import. Fix. Imports fix. Be other way around. Fix imports. That would be probably more correct. Okay. Is there anything here? Oh yeah, create pull request. Good. Imports fix. I think I might need to do it a couple of times. That way. It's a slow process because like when I build it locally, it doesn't seem to show those errors. And when I build it on Vercel, it's probably using different version of npm. That would say that would probably be a reason, and that's always like something that we have to think about. And like, you know, if I use Docker, like everyone will tell me, use Docker, this will fix it, and probably it will. But like I don't really like developing with Docker. I think it's quite slow. Quite slow to develop with Docker, so I don't really like it. Like refreshing is very slow. And and probably now you are thinking, you just made 2 websites with Gatsby, and refreshing there was also slow. Yes, I have no way to actually justify that, to be honest. Except like the websites are quick, you know. That's actually, I was checking what's the name of my wife's website? Sklavnia. Yeah, okay. So this one, it's quick. It's quick. And yeah, it's probably cached, so it's quicker that way. But even if it's not cached, it's very quick. So I like that. That's why I'm using Gatsby. It's not for my experience, pleasure, but for viewers' experience. Yeah. Okay, are we done? Are we fixed? Did we get through? Where is the... Okay, let's just go to code. Is this... Finally. Good. Okay, deployed. Nice. Let's see. Vercel. Pattern market. I'm actually planning to pattern market. I'm planning to move it to Google actually, but for now, that's how it's gonna work. Profiles. Yeah, looks good. Let me just inform my team that's actually there. So people I'm working on it with. What's up? Okay, deployed. Where's my sewing patterns? Udało się. Mój kod. I nie widzę błędu. Okay. Sprawdźmy czy... it's just, sorry. I've rebuilt this yesterday. I think this is fine now. Card, good. Login. I will be rebuilding this top, like pretty much most of the navigation and website. So I don't really like how it looks now, but it will be fixed soon, I think. Gmail. And the funny thing is like the one database is for my development and for production, but that's like everything is development now anyway. But yeah, seems to be working good. Oh, okay. Unknown. Yeah, the user hasn't set up the profile. Yeah, okay, so I think at least it deployed, it works, no errors. It used to break this morning. So I'm gonna be back to this site quite soon. Although for now, I think like I want to focus much more on the exciting part of video production. So this is a video like how much I've done? I've done like 1/3 so far. So it's actually
the suppliers page works the same
so it's actually showing my other product, Planero.
way, but for your supply partners.
Yeah, good. So I've been
It
actually
shows
doing...
the customer, order date, expected delivery date, products included, and the current status.
Yeah. Okay, so that's basically like just trying to show how the app works.
Search for specific deliveries and filter by customer.
Okay, this is...
To create a new delivery, click Add Delivery.
Yeah, here I have to start cutting a bit.
Select the customer.
Good, that's what it did. I think here I have to do some cutting.
Set the order date and expected delivery date. Choose the...
Okay, good.
And expected delivery date.
Yeah, okay.
And expected delivery date. And expected delivery date. And expected delivery date.
Yep.
Choose the products from your catalog.
Ooh, products. Okay, so products will have...
And save. From your catalog and save. Click on any delivery to choose the products from your catalog.
Okay, so there is
Choose the products from your catalog. And
I forgot to say to...
products from your catalog. Products from your catalog. Your catalog. And save. Click on
Ooh, and save and create product.
catalog and save. Click on
Okay, so it's unfortunately...
Click on any delivery to see full details or update it.
Okay.
You can change the status, modify products, update dates, everything. Planero tracks the history of each delivery.
Ah. So I don't have this part.
Click on any delivery to see full details or update it. You can change the status, modify products, update dates. Everything is editable. Planero automatically tracks the history of each delivery, when it was created, when the status changed, and who made those changes. This gives you a complete audit trail.
Oh, yeah, good.
And who made those changes. This
Good.
Click on any delivery to and save. Click on any delivery to see full any delivery to see full details. Delivery to see any delivery to see full delivery to see full delivery and any delivery to see full details or update it. You can change the status.
You can change the status.
Or update it. You can change the status, modify products, update dates. Everything is editable. Planero automatically
Well, this is not editable.
tracks the history of each delivery, when it was created. Planero automatically tracks the history of each delivery, when it was created, when the status changed, and who made those changes. This gives you a complete audit trail.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. I don't know.
You can change the status, modify products, update dates, every Planero automatically.
I don't feel like I can show it, say that. So let's just cut that part away. Because I can't really do that.
Everything is editable.
Yeah, that's something we can do in the delivery place, but not in here. Okay, so let's just.
Planero automatically tracks the history of each delivery, when it was created, when the status changed, and complete. Changes. Planero automatically tracks the history of each delivery, when it was created, when the status changed, and who made those changes. This.
Do I have that information? I don't know. Do I? Doesn't seem like I have this information, to be honest. Okay, let's just try to see if it's there.
Gives you a.
How do I zoom in? Zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. No? Zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. No? Oh, here. Okay. Changed by not specified. Shit. This should say who changed that. Okay, so I'll have to do this part again.
Planero automatically tracks the history of each delivery, when it was created, when the status changed, and who made those changes. This gives you a complete audit trail.
Okay, I will have to. Let's just move on.
Now this is where the magic happens. Our Kanban board.
Okay, now and the next part is Kanban board. Yeah. And let's just move this one a bit. Oops, no, don't go there. Whoops. Okay, how do we get this? Okay. Now this is where all the
trail. Now this.
Okay, ooh, there's a zoom out. How do I like? Oh yeah, here. Good. Let's just fit. Now this is where all the magic happens. Yes.
Now this is where the magic happens. Our
Okay, here we have to show Kanban board. Where's my Kanban board? Not here, not here. Not yet. No Kanban board? Oh shit. Do I have more here? Oh yeah, Ooh, finally. Good. So I showed my Kanban. Now this is where all the magic happens.
Now this is where the magic happens.
Oh, so much magic. Yes, great. This is where all the magic happens. I love that enthusiasm. Thank you, Hope. Hope is the person who is reading this for me from 11 Labs.
Now,
isn't 11 Labs a bit of a flop, like as a product? I think there was lots of investment because it was like new. They went very quickly. 11 Labs. Valuation. I think that's kind of 11 billion. That's a lot. This app is not that actually. I don't think it's actually worth this much. Top stories. Yeah, I heard that they're actually doing some crazy numbers now, which is surprising to me, to be honest. I don't like. Yeah, like this. You can see lots of people. Yes, they hired many people, but the app, if you actually look at it, it's good, but it's nothing that I would say it's $11 billion. I don't think like there's $11 billion worth of stuff there. How do you think? Like, do you think it's a 11 lab is gonna, like, I like 11 labs. I think this is a great app, very useful, very nice use of AI. But 11 billion, whew, boy, for this thing, like 11 labs. For this thing, that's maybe I just don't know how much apps work, how much apps cost. Maybe that's me not knowing stuff. Okay, they have some music as well, so maybe there is this image to video which they're building. Oh, this is obviously like useful now, because that's actually something that people like. I use that for as well. So maybe like now me going through 11 labs, maybe there is 11 billion. Maybe this is how much. Maybe this is how 11 billion looks. The app that, you know, maybe it was built like it looks like a couple of thousand like hours of development, maybe not. I don't know, like there's actually there's 11 billion here. I don't know how to close it even. Just go away. Image to video. Okay, app. And even you can see, like, you can't even close the thing. Look at I just went here. I can't go anywhere else. So yeah, this is what 11 billion looks like. And maybe I'm probably kidding, you know, I'm probably joking a bit, because maybe there is this value here, but like even like, look at this AI, look at this UI. You can't exit it unless you're just gonna change the URL. So is it really 11 billion? Sorry, 11 labs, 11 billion? 11 labs triples valuation to 11 billion. Maybe that's because there is 11. Oh, that's a way to do it, you know? You call your app 10 billion app or something, or labs, wherever. 10 billion labs. And then it's worth 10 billion. That's how you do it. Or I just called my thing Planero in pattern market. I should just call it like 20 billion deliveries ordered, 20 billion deliveries managed. That's how I should call my app, and then I could evaluate. I could make my valuation to 20 billion. That's how you do it. Oh, I'm an idiot. Yes. You do it like 11 labs. You call it 11, and then you say it's 11 billion. You pay me 11 billion, and they raised 500 million. That's a good number. To improve UX here. Maybe they're gonna fix the fact that I can't really exit this screen. I can probably. Okay, that's how you do it. We have to. How did I start it? Get started. Okay, I would have to agree, but no, I'm not gonna agree. Oh, that's how you do it. You can't really press the cross. Like, they just force you into actually into doing action they want you, basically. So this is what 11 billion buys you. It buys you oh, you can have a, whoa, can I have, what's his name? He's a great actor. What was his name? Don't remember, actually. Yeah, wow. You can have him actually reading stuff in your app. Because I've got actually this thing that I sort of call it a movie script, and maybe I should do it. I should have a read of it with 11 labs. So like some time ago, I wrote like this. I called it movie script, but some people said it's not really that good. But maybe if I read it with 11 labs, then it's gonna sound like a real thing. Yeah, I should probably do that. That's gonna be like one of the live streams where I'm finishing that script. I do have it, like, everything seems like it's almost finished, although I just have to do like some promotion and maybe glue it together into a coherent story, and then I could actually read it with 11 labs. and see if it's actually worth 11 billion. Most voice technology today sounds unnatural and struggle to handle. Okay, that's probably from their website, or maybe they paid for this press release. See, here I can close it, and here I can't. I can't do it. I can't click anything. Obviously, I could, because I can just do this, and you know, remove that. Remove that. That's actually I love to do it that way. Just like force them. Now I have access to now. No, there's still some layer in front of it. Okay, I just have to refresh it. Oh no, not this view. Come on. Yep. So do you think it's worth the 11 billion? Like, is this thing that, I don't know, it evaluates to 11 billion, or is it just like the name? Maybe I should have actually. Yeah, okay. I think I will have to go back to my yeah, let's go back to this thing. Oh, 11 up. Okay, let's get back to my app reading. Okay, so I've actually done it with 11 labs. So maybe, you know, I do appreciate it. I think it's a great app, but like, I think they overestimate their worth.
Now this is where the magic happens.
Actually, for what she just did. Now this is where all the magic happens. This is it. Okay, that's good. Now this.
Our Kanban board. The Kanban board gives you a visual overview of all your deliveries organized by status. Each column represents a stage in your delivery process.
Yeah, good.
In preparation, delayed, in transit,
Oh, I don't
delivered.
Have those. Yeah, okay, let's just remove those statuses. It just makes no sense because I don't have them. I can specify them, but like in the app that I'm showing, there I don't have them.
Each column represents a stage in your delivery process. Each card represents a delivery. You can see the customer name.
Okay, do we have all of that there? Unless I will have to. Do we have a customer name? Is there one? For products. Wolf. Okay, that's probably customer name.
Products and dates at a glance. Here's the best part. Just drag and drop.
Okay, let's just show drag and dropping. Oh, maybe actually.
This is where the magic happens. Our Kanban board. The Kanban.
Okay, I think I will have to just animate some stuff here.
Each card represents a delivery. You can see the customer name, product.
Okay, so here again, like this will have to drag quite a lot. Change clip speed to like 20% and ripple. 20%. Ooh. Or maybe not. Actually, I'll just change it to change clip speed to like 20%, but without ripple. Ripple means that you're just gonna move everything, as I just did it. 20%, and now I can just drag it here.
Now this is where the magic happens.
Yeah.
Our Kanban board.
Ooh. Okay, so maybe not. That's how I do it.
Now this is where the magic happens.
Okay, and this one will have to be dragged by 5%. Change clip speed 5%. And now we can drag it all the way here.
Our Kanban board. The Kanban board gives you a visual overview of all your deliveries organized by status. Each column represents a...
Hello, Ecstasy.dev. Oh, I haven't seen you for a while. Dude, like, where were you? Or maybe you were just talking, but like, you have a nice habit of asking many questions, so that's a good thing. And like then testing my app, which I didn't fix yet. So I will actually have to go through your report and implement your changes, which I really appreciate, although like I didn't really do much with it yet. Sorry. Are you at work today? So most of the people think that building a real project is the best way of learning programming. I think that I do agree. Although like all of those answers are pretty good. I think like I do quite a lot of courses and tutorials. At least I used to do longer ones. Now I do like shorter. So I don't. Before, when I wanted to learn, I would do like 30 hours of course and then maybe progress to something. I was 6 hours and at work and only watch your stream while I'm at work. Okay, that's fine. I agree on that. You know, I accept that. You know, it's a good solution. You know, when they pay you, you listen to me. When you are at home, you have fun stuff. There's Netflix and there are your apps to build, which I understand. So yeah, good to see again. But yeah, I think like I do like this is not the poll I should have, maybe even. This is something that it's a longer discussion because I think all of those ways are actually great. Working with other devs, brilliant way. Like if like depending what sort of people you work with. Building real projects, that's a very valuable way of doing it. Yeah, I think like best one is building real project when you can get people to help you with it or contribute to it. It's a good one as well, very useful. So yeah, the more you can actually like the more you spend on your thing, the better, I guess. You know, then you are just forced to actually research things and learn new things, you know. And not sometimes you are not learning new things, you are just using your knowledge that you already have and then building out of it. So for example, like for me here, editing videos, there's really not much I'm learning here, but it's actually, I know I have to do it, and I'm also learning a bit about marketing more, you know, like what sort of stuff, like I don't really know if this video will actually sell anything, but at least I can you know, I can research, you know. I think this will actually be a step forward. Whether it will get me customers, I don't know.
Each column represents a stage in your delivery process. Each card.
Okay, let's just.
The Kanban board gives you a visual overview.
Why don't you use Premiere? Maybe because it's paid. That's probably one of the biggest reasons. I used to use Premiere and I liked it, but I don't really like Adobe that much, you know. I think like, although I love Photoshop and Premiere. No, actually, the reason is that it's paid. I don't want to be pirating it. I don't want to be, you know, hacking it. I used to do that when I was a kid, you know. I would just get Premiere and just move some weird files around, and that would actually, you know, get me registered. But I don't want to actually be using some fake versions, and I don't want to be paying, I think, for Adobe stuff. I think like it's, and like Adobe got so slow. They used to be like really like much quicker, I think. I mean, they were never super quick, but like I think that stuff used to work better, and now it's just kind of cluttered everywhere. So yeah, the Premiere, I love it, but I mean, I love it for editing. I think it's great, but like I can get as good with as in Adobe in this, and I've actually learned so much stuff in DaVinci now that, and I have like, I don't know, it's probably, you could do the same stuff in Adobe, but yeah, DaVinci is free basically. At least the version that I'm using. There's a paid version, but I'm not using that one.
The Kanban board gives you a visual overview of all your deliveries organized by status.
Okay, let's just like visualize this part.
Organized by status.
Okay, this one.
Organized by status. Each column represents a stage in your delivery process.
Oh, okay, so this is good. Those columns. Let's just maybe I should just clean. Can I clean the? Okay, I can probably clean the keyframes. Yes. Can I do that? Let's just. Oh yeah, I can remove them. Good. So it's. Okay, do I have like more keyframes here?
Organized by status.
Why is it?
Each column represents a
Why is this like doing this to me? Where are keyframes? No, this is not a keyframe for this. No, this is not the keyframe. I don't like. Oh, okay, because if I expanded that. Okay, I know now. Okay, now I get it.
Organized by status.
Okay, so here, let's just start here. And okay, let's just show it for now. And probably this one. Yeah, let's just expand this. Make this bigger. Ish. Okay, that's where I want it. So now each column.
Organized by status.
Ooh. Let's just make this as here. No? God damn it. Got stung by a wasp yesterday, and that was under my blanket somehow. And the wound got infected. Hurts like hell. Whoa! I never had that, but sounds actually doesn't sound good. Doesn't sound nice. Like yeah, like how does it get infected actually? Okay, this. Okay, and now we just animate it here.
Each column represents a state.
Okay, maybe here. Nope. Where is it? Here.
Each column represents a state.
Okay, I'll just. Why is it actually going up? $161. $161. Let's not animate this bit.
Each column.
Merging to it, but also if it stung something before that had bacteria, it gets directly under your skin. No, I didn't know that actually. I didn't know that actually. I never had that kind of problem. Sounds serious. But probably antibiotics can help, yes? So you probably just have to do like some antibiotic stuff and it should actually fix it. Or is there like more science to it?
Each column represents a stage in your delivery process.
Okay.
Stage in your delivery.
This should still be there. What are you building? Hey, hi there. Today I'm actually like not really building an app at this moment. I was doing it a bit earlier, or fixing some errors. Like I have two apps that I'm working now currently, and I'm just bitching about 11 Labs, although it's a good product as well. So my one app is Pattern Market. This one, which just needs to wake up, and there is a plan error. So I've been working earlier on Pattern Market, this thing, and I kind of fixed a couple of errors. I fixed like deployment because I had some problems. I was using some global variables in CSS. That kind of stuff. It should work, but it sometimes doesn't. So I had to fix that. So that was earlier this morning. This is a product I really have to like create like a good pitch for it, because I think it's a nice one where you can sell like a sewing pattern product. So like you know, if someone is sewing, so they can like they have to do those like, I mean, basically it's a marketplace for people to sell their patterns. And if someone is sewing, like they actually use that stuff. So that's number one. Number two is Planero. So this is actually for deliveries. And now I'm not really building stuff as such. I'm actually much more doing like a video animation explaining what the app is actually for, you know. So I wanna create this like a walkthrough, and people can actually oh, that's the new one. Yeah. Already taking antibiotics. Okay, sorry, I'm just like talking to. I'm just so like that's. So this is like a walkthrough through the app that I'm building today. So it's not really like, it's more of a marketing stuff, but that's a part that is actually hardest for me, because I haven't done that much of marketing. I haven't been selling my own stuff. You know, I used to work in a company in a marketing team. But we would just have like a big budget, and like my task would be just to build something on the website, or something on like some sort of pop-ups, or like brochures and stuff. Like that was a long time ago, and we would have like big budgets, you know. So here I'm actually trying to squeeze something more out of like a small budget, and just like do my own work and then promote it. Yeah, and that's the new one in terms of like the pattern market. That's something that I actually. This is an app that I built like 6 or 7 years ago, and I never released it. So it was actually 80% there, I think. If you want, I can look at the video and give you suggestions. Yeah, we can do that. When I finish it, I can actually send it to you. You can have a yeah. I've been doing quite a lot of video editing over the years. I like it. Let's back to the Humor Harbor. Okay, I don't know. I got lost actually. So this one is actually like I love this app, because when I actually look at the code, it was at the time when there was no AI. So I was actually trying to make really nice components, like really nice React stuff, and I was using CSS modules, which are kind of fun, but like can be tricky. Okay, this is actually, I think, something that AI built today. Yes, that's something that I actually generated. But like my code here was very simple actually. Like you could drill through it. Like, you know, I was sticking to like short components, mostly some grid stuff. Like it was actually super easy to write and to read now. So I like that app, but I never actually released it. So I've built it with other people. I've actually even paid people for actually this is side stuff, like SaaS. This is your side stuff. Yeah, actually, like I'm trying to make a living out of it now. I'm trying to make a living out of the stuff. So like I can call it a side stuff. I can say it's a side project, but currently I'm not really. Like I have a contract with one company, but I'm not really. Oh, okay. Just later. Yeah. Okay. Whatever. That's something that. But basically, I will be on the market quite soon again. I'm actually finishing that job at the end of the month, and then my goal is to actually get my own SaaS products actually selling. So I will actually hope to actually get that actually running and paying. But I'm also working on like too many projects now. So that's a tricky thing, you know. So I'm working on this, I'm working on that pattern market. I just built like my wife's website yesterday, or like earlier this week. And this is actually something that it's a like online shop ish, and there are workshops that you can sign up for. That my wife is organizing, and you can pay with Stripe. And so the rental, some events, and you can rent this place. It's like we have to put like better images, but this is like a greenhouse that you can actually have like workshops and party and stuff. You can even use my agent for your security purpose. Oh, okay, sorry, did I lose something? Like, sorry, Humor Harbor. Like, is there like a message I missed? Because is there like you have your coding agent for your security purposes? Did we actually? Oh, did we actually spoke some time ago, didn't we? No, you're new here today. I thought we okay. What sort of coding agent you have? Will I have to learn much if I want to use it? Like it's a yeah. So I built this website like this week for my wife, and we are trying to actually get. Basically, I'm trying to get like lots of alternative ways of actually making money. Even like hopefully at one point my YouTube will make money as well, and like you know this will contribute to my budget, to my earnings, and maybe I will actually, in a couple of months, I will not have to go to some corporate job. Although, like in the meantime, I'm sort of I'm applying to some jobs, but I don't know if I will go to any.
Should be drinking no lean. I'm already half diggable.
Is this yours? Like, okay, I was sent by xstacy.dev. He's Jonas. Yeah, this is a nice video, and like a great car actually. My brother's wife, she had Golf 4, and like my father used to have like Golf 2, and it was stolen, and it was such a great car. Thank you. Yeah, thanks for your it's totally open source. Do you want to have like a live stream on that? Do you want to show me how it works? We will record it and show to people. Like, you know, my live streams are watched by, I don't know, up to 100 people usually. If it's something fun, there might be more. So, yeah, and then we can edit it into something shorter and release it. Because I'm actually like looking into releasing some podcasts where I will be showing some, you know, some coding and stuff. Cool one, Jonas. Very nice stuff. I like this stuff. Yeah. Is this with AI? Or did you just like cut it out and then animate it up and down? Want me to look into that website too? But there's really like my wife's website is not much actually there. Bit later you can have a look into this one if you want. But currently, like, because the other one is just static, like the Szklarnia Sielska. This one is static page, except like you've got some payments that are done with Stripe. So this like there's really not much to test, you know. And this is actually, it redirects you to Stripe, so that's actually something that is outside of my control. And the rest is just like static sites, static pages. So that I wouldn't touch that, to be honest. This is just like a static web page. This you did testing, so I appreciate that. Thanks for that. This one, let's just hold on with this for a couple of more weeks, okay? Yeah, so Humor Harbor, if you wanna have a live stream where you're gonna show how it works and maybe teach me how I can use it, that would be great. I could arrange that. Just if you can send me an email on this one, office@planero.eu, then we can speak about that if you're interested. Can help you with, yeah, that's great. No problem. I like free help. No problem. If you can contact me, okay, through this email, we will just discuss it, okay? So I don't really do too much of that over the live stream, so people don't get too much into. But like I really like, yeah, I'm getting actually quite a lot of help because I started talking about stuff. I'm getting quite a lot of help from people, and that's really great. Sometimes I don't even know what to do with it because it's just too much. Like even like recently, Jonas, who is here, he made this audit for me, and he went through my website and like my API and stuff. So thanks for that. And I still have to implement his suggestions. Yeah, good. What's your strength? What are you good at in development? Like what do you develop most, or like what's your strongest part? Yeah. Completely self-made. Okay. Oh, okay, good. Yeah, I like you mean the VW video. Is this your car? Very nice, very nice. Do you wanna do shorts for me? I try to find people for that. Oh, I've got like copyright strike for this other day. I like with AI agent, I'm kind of thinking about, but like at some point, about adding AI agent to my other product, to Planner. So like you can prompt through, like, you know, it's actually for delivery management. So you can add products and that. So I would actually just allow people to prompt it, and it would just give them an option like, okay, just create 50 products, or like create 2 products for this company, you know, and the products would be this. So that someone would be just prompting it, and then it would just add it to my database, or to, you know, to the app.
Each column represents a stage in your
So it would actually call some API calls and
delivery
like
process. Each card represents
yeah, local LLM. I think I would do API key for, you know, just buy the cheapest one that is there and just try to implement in there.
Presents a delivery.
Like a couple of weeks ago, maybe months ago, actually, I was testing some of that. So
Card
I'm not really an expert, but I think I could make it work. Ooh, no. Okay. Nope.
delivery.
Okay, that's good.
Process.
Okay, this
Each
should
card represents a delivery. A delivery by status. Each column represents a stage in your delivery process.
Oh, this is too
Each
long.
card represents a
Oh, this is too long. Okay. Now it's a footage that videographer sent to me to play around with. Yeah, the thing is, like, with my I kind of have to figure out what to show as shorts, and yeah, I don't know. I mean, oh, you did. I could have sworn that it was without copyright. Yeah, unfortunately, yes. I was getting strikes. That's not a big problem, because like when I'm doing a live stream, I don't mind that. Then the best stuff I'm just editing out, like copying out. Yeah, cool. I will contact you. You know, we'll try to arrange something. Are you like like what's your status now? Humor Harbor. Like what are you like working for people? Is this or are you looking for projects?
organized by status.
Oops. Okay. Okay, I will just create a new one, because this one is annoying. Maybe not, actually.
Organized by status.
It's kind of animating stupidly. Yep. This open source contribution. Wow, nice. For to what? What's the? Is there like a library you are working on?
Each column represents
I think this should be actually.
a organized by status. Each column
So.
Each column represents a stage in your delivery process. Each card represents a
Okay, this one will go, and this two will move earlier.
each card
Oh, even less. Even. Oops. Back to chat. Sorry, I will be back. Yes, here. You should key out the rest of what you're supposed to be in focus instead of focusing on the thing you want the viewer to see. It's much more simple and nice look. Oh, okay. Key out, you mean should I like zoom in and stuff? Or like yeah, I think that would be. Yeah. But like that's at this moment I would probably have to re-record it because I would have to zoom in.
Each column represents a stage in your delivery process. Each
Yeah, I feel like I know what you mean. I think I know what you mean. So like I would have to like zoom. No, not this. Like, you know, I just like when I'm showing this instead of that. I would just zoom this one in. Yes. Rip. Yep. Maybe that's actually you might be correct. Although like this is a vertical, so I will actually do it for this.
Each card represents a delivery.
So I can zoom in here. Maybe I should have done it earlier. Or maybe both actually. Like the thing is like with animation sometimes it's better to have even more stuff.
Each
So like here I could probably zoom in
card
and here and just back. Oops, I should probably do the same.
represent
Yeah, something like this. Yes. So I just
each card represents a
not just zoom in, but like
each card
I shouldn't zoom back out, basically.
represents a
So here I would probably do this.
each card delivery.
Yeah, okay, something like that, yeah.
Each card represents a delivery. You can see the customer name.
Probably I should stay here still. And now this could actually be like customer name and stuff. could be even, but like when I animate it down,
Card represents a delivery. You can see the customer name.
this
You
should actually
see the
stop here. But let's move this stuff forwards even more. Now we can just replace everything with white or something other. Yeah, that I would have to like. That's actually more work, isn't it? I mean, you have to mask it, and like masking is. I think that would be more work. I need to go to. Yeah, I feel like the thing is, I think I will just combine both those.
Represents a stage in your delivery process. Each card represents a delivery. You can see the customer name, products.
Yeah, here I will have to even stretch it further. So this one. This one will stay on the same level, yes. And here I will just show like, oh, customer name. This one I will zoom in, like show. Sorry, I will just go. I will be back in like 3 minutes. Okay, I just need to visit the toilet. Yeah, see you in a bit. Ooh, yeah, speed ramps. Yeah. Break. Yeah, I should probably like it will look cooler. Although
You can
this is like a 10 minutes video. If I like, I don't. Yeah, thanks for make sure that you stay sharp. Yeah, yeah, I think it's not sharp anymore. Yes, so like basically I would have to do it in the while I'm recording the thing, like while I'm screen recording, or I would have to like record it in 4K somehow. I don't know if my screen is even 4K. So now when I zoom
see full
in,
details.
maybe that's not a good idea.
Click on any delivery to see full details or update it. Planner.o automatically tracks the history, log, and save.
Why did
Click on.
Oh, here.
Now this is where the magic happens.
This
Each
is where-
card represents a delivery.
Yeah, this is a. Yeah, I think ooh, count. Okay, I have to do this part again.
You can
I will actually do it again. I will just zoom in on my recording.
each column represents a stage in your delivery process.
Okay, so here I will have to record it again where I'm zooming in, and I've seen like an error here. I can see that some variable was not applied. 2 plus count more. I don't know. There is something broken here. Okay, let's just go further.
Each card represents a delivery. Here's the best part. Just drag and drop a card to move it to a different status. Watch. I'll drag this delivery from in preparation to in transit.
Oh. Okay, again, this will have to be recorded again in preparation. Although I don't have in preparation. I would have to just like add another. Maybe this part will have to be recorded.
This delivery from in preparation to in transit. Done. The status is updated instantly, and Planero records when this change happened and who made it. You can filter the column to...
Okay, so yeah, I will have to get back to this part because I agree. Like with animations, speed ramps and stuff, it will be cool, but it's just way more work. So, and I don't know if because I've already spent so many, like a couple of days on this and had to redo it. And for like this video, I don't know if it's actually worth it. I think like because things like speed ramping is great. I love that stuff. But I even want more to actually start selling this up. And I think like this video, if it's 90% there without speed ramps, with just like basic effects, it's actually worth for me more than like one that like, and if I spend on it another 5 hours against spending another 50, like maybe not 50, like 20 hours to get it done, I think that's actually much more achievable at this point. And I feel like once I will start making money on this app, I will actually get some editors to actually maybe help me with making those things better. I'm saving those files to actually be able to spend more time on them later. But for now, I just wanna have it out, which is more important for me than a beautiful animation even. Because otherwise, I gonna like if I'm trying to make it all perfect, then like this part is taking me even more than it needs to, and then I'm not building other stuff somewhere else. So I'd rather actually have a basic video that is showing simple animation rather than. Although yeah, here I have to fix a couple of things on my recording, so I will actually do a bit more actually on that part. So now what I'm doing, I'm actually, like, you can see that I have gaps here. So this is the stuff I want to improve, basically, or I didn't record correctly, or I just broke. So I want to actually, I'm at the stage where I want to have like most of it, and then I will just record only the things that are missing. Yeah, that's my goal. So like then at least I will be like I can move on with. I mean, I will be 80% finished with this video. I will just have to record those gaps, fix the gaps. So like you know. But yeah, Jonas, I agree. I like in a way I want to have like a beautiful transitions and stuff, but I might actually skip it. Oh, there's no one is actually voting for this too. Working with devs, courses and tutorials. Actually, I mean, if I was actually going to rank them, probably building real project and struggling in Googling. Actually, this both should be the same almost, because building real project is almost that. Working with other devs would be probably my next best. Although like I do this a lot actually as well. You know, if I don't know technology, I will go to actually I will watch video tutorials and I will watch like real projects. But yeah, I'm good that I'm getting some numbers here. And I like that top number, 69. It's a great number. Yeah. Like the thing is like usually when you build something, it's actually a mix of all of those. Like the more, like for example, for me, like I used to be working my own quite a lot. Now I'm getting quite a lot of help from you guys. And working with other devs, it's a useful thing. And also, like, if you go to the office, you can discuss some things that if you don't understand them. I have my wife's father actually visiting us, and he's from Ukraine, and they actually have like 3 or 4 hours a day of electricity now. You know, where they live. Yeah, that's my wife's father. So yeah, that he's here till tomorrow, I think, and then he's going back to Ukraine. And yeah, they have almost no electricity now because of the war. Skid-based batch scripts and make my own and Google things I don't understand. Yeah, that's basically like it's all. Like the thing is, like, this question is, I don't know if it should be like rank them from most important to least important for you. And I would say probably like, yeah, building real project while struggling and Googling, and courses and tutorials. And then like at the end, although it's still very useful working with other devs, just working on stuff is the way you learn. If you spend on something, you know, more hours, then you will learn more. Yeah. Okay, so like this part.
You can see the customer name. Each column represents a stage in your delivery.
Okay, so the entire part, this entire part needs to be redone, I think.
Now this is where...
Okay, let's do it.
So if someone on your team moves a card, everyone sees it immediately. No more calling your employees to ask, where's that ones, or remove ones you don't need. Make them are fooling your employees to ask, where's that order? Just look at the board. And the best part? These status columns are fully customizable. You can rename them, change their color. These status columns are customizable.
Okay, so the customizable, I have to show that. Oh, okay, I ordering. But now I would have to. Now I have to show how they're customizable. No, that's reports. Oh, here. Okay, I think this is where I'm showing those statuses, which is useful. Yeah.
Name them, change their colors, just look at the board. And the best part? These status board. And the best part? These status columns are fully customizable. You can rename them, change their colors, add new ones, or remove ones you don't need. Make the board match your workflow, not the other way around.
Okay, that's something I have to record again.
Now let's look at reports.
Okay, let's do reports now. Why am I switching to reports? Yes. I've been talking about this for so much time. Okay, so this is... Where am I going? Okay, here. Yeah, I'm going to reports now.
Round. Now let's look at report. Now let's look at reports. Now let's look at reports, because data-driven decisions are better than guesswork. Now let's look at Now,
Okay, here I will click. Here I clicked. Good.
now let's look at reports, because data-driven decisions are better than guesswork. The reports page. Let's look at reports. Decisions are better because data-driven decisions are better than guesswork. The reports page gives you comprehensive analytics about your delivery performance. At the top, you see key metrics.
Ooh, okay, this again, like, so many mistakes. I think I hate this bit. Okay, let's just go on. So reports also I have
Time
to record.
delivery rate, average delivery time. This chart shows monthly trends.
Yeah, okay. I will skip reports again. I will actually re-record them in a minute.
Ordered most frequently. Customize planner. Finally, let's look at settings where you cut.
Okay, settings. Good. Okay, let's just go to the settings again. Yeah, settings.
Is the previous one. Finally, let's look at setting. Finally, let's look at settings
Yeah, good.
where you customize Planero for your business. First, the subscription tab. Here you can see your current plan, manage your subscription, and upgrade if needed.
Okay.
We have 3 tiers: starter, team, and business, depending on your needs.
Starter team. Okay, no, that's not true.
We have 3 tiers: starter, team, and business, depending on your needs. Subscription and upgrade if needed. We have 3 tiers: starter, team, and business, depending on your needs.
That's not correct, but let's just remove that part.
In status management, you can customize the delivery.
Okay, that's
In status management, you can customize the delivery statuses we saw on the Kanban board. Add new stages, rename existing ones, change colors, or reorder them. Make the workflow In status management, you can customize the delivery statuses we saw on the Kanban board. Add new stages, rename existing ones, change colors, or reorder them. Make the workflow
I actually can't change it. I can't change the color.
match exactly how your business operates. Categories let you organize.
Okay. Whoops. Whoopsie. I might need to add some animation here.
Categories let you organize.
Yeah, we've been talking here for so long. My categories. Oh, where is it? Where is it? Yeah.
Categories let you organize your products into groups. Useful when you have hundreds of products and need to filter them quickly. Filter them quickly.
Change flip speed. 40%.
Groups. Useful when you have hundreds of products and need to filter them quickly. Custom types allow you to create reusable field types. For example, if you have a set of standard packaging sizes, You can create a custom type for that and reuse it across products. You can also invite team.
Okay, so that's...
Categories let you organize your.
I have to do...
Make
ma-
more of your business.
I think the part with categories also will have to be redone. Yeah, like it's just like it's back and forth, back and forth. Like maybe at the end I will actually do also like some of better transitions. Oh, there's someone actually who likes tutorials, courses and tutorials. No one likes people working with other devs. That's a... With me, it depends, you know? Sometimes I like to work with them. Sometimes I do enjoy working with other people, but sometimes it's a pain. They can be annoying, and there's quite a lot of like discussions about things that don't matter, I think. Yeah, so yeah, back to my survey. I think like most of you, we had 14 votes so far, and most of you seem to be agree. I think I agree with most of you. I think the best way to learn programming is basically by working. So just building a real projects, and you just create like not to do apps and like wherever, you know, that whatever they give you on video tutorials. Just like real stuff for real people. You know, if your aunt needs a website and she needs to have an online shop, maybe you can try to build that if this is something that, you know, if you're starting with even. Or if there is someone that is running a business and he has a problem with some of the aspects of that business, you could actually, you know, probably make an app for him. And then I think like, so it's basically like maybe this struggling and googling is probably something that I would include in this category, so that's probably second most popular. I think like when you are building stuff, it's good to actually, like, if you want to learn new thing, like it's obviously good to watch some courses, tutorials, maybe read some documentation, but maybe not too much, you know. I think like that's, I would say more valuable is to still building it. So then, you know, maybe when you need to learn a new part, or it's good to spend an hour or two, but I wouldn't really, you know, read full documentation on React if I just wanted to build like a small bit of it, because then instead of just focusing on what really matters, we are focusing on just something that doesn't really matter so much. Yeah, obviously it's useful to know React, but when you just want to solve a problem and you have limited time, but you wanna build something new, like it's actually much more valuable just to build that. And then maybe if you see some problems with performance, or, you know, there are bits you don't like, you can improve on that. Maybe then you can just learn a bit more on React because you've already used it and you know how it works. So it's going to be easier for you to actually even to learn new stuff because you already have some basics. And it seems like most of the people don't like to work with other devs. You know, maybe that's not really... I think it's a good way, but sometimes we as a devs, we can actually, again, focus too much on theory and spend too many hours discussing the best performance solutions instead of just like finishing stuff and making things happen. And yeah, sometimes you will learn stuff, but sometimes some other people, and I had that experience where, you know, I wanted to build this thing here, and they're actually explaining, you know, after discussion with someone, when I'm asking how to build it, they will just give me like a big picture. Oh, you need to learn algorithms here, and you have to make sure that you know CSS as well. I don't know, like sometimes I would get too wide of a picture from other people, but like, you know, maybe that's me actually asking wrong questions. But yeah, I think like building real projects is the way to go if you want to start learning, or if you already know stuff and you want to expand your knowledge. Then yeah, build real projects. And I've been actually 15 years in product I've been like working in software development for 15 years already, And by building a new project, I'm really learning new stuff, you know. Some of the things I knew, so I knew how to use React, how to build some backend stuff, but like marketing and other stuff is very useful. Like videos, I do know how to do videos, but like there's still things I could probably improve on, and maybe some, you know, even animation stuff. So yeah, that's my take on this. Great that I think I'm happy that I got so many responses here. It's good that you are guys so vocal about it. Yeah, just try it until it fails, until it works. That's a good take. And yeah, it's you already worked on some. You made something make money. Good, congratulations. And it seems like you made a good money on it. But yeah, it's actually worth to build things. And I feel like the second thing is to talk about it, and sometimes you get people to actually teach you new stuff as well.
Categories let you organize your product
Okay, so categories.
and need to filter them quickly. Custom types allow you to create reusable field types. For example, make the workflow match exactly how your business optimization. You can in status management, you can
I'll have to improve that.
manage your.
So status, all the settings actually needs to be
If you
redone.
have a set of standard packaging sizes, you can create a custom type for that and reuse it across products. You can also invite team members, assign roles like admin, employee, supply.
Oh, okay, so that's actually in. This part is in other area. Here.
So, who is Planero?
Oh, okay, here.
You can also invite. You can also. So, who is Planero for?
Never. Yeah, obviously. Yeah, you never. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, sorry. But you know, you could, in theory, you could actually make a product that would sell. So sorry, I just, I think I meant other person. I think I meant someone else. But I know that you have enough knowledge to actually build something that will make you send or more. Okay, just get.
You can also invite team members, assign roles like admin, employee.
Oh, that's not what I want to show here, do I? Where is my user management? Where is my user management? Shit, I think I thought I recorded it. Yeah, I think that's fine. We're family and friends. Like sometimes when you are listening to me, you might hear some shouts in the background, and that are my two daughters who actually realize that they can actually shout a lot, and kind of sometimes annoy us, and sometimes I don't know, they just scream a lot for some reason. That's a new discovery for them. So yeah, but they're healthy, obviously, which is obviously good. Oh, I have a category here. Good. I'm adding category. That's useful. Good. I had some
roles like admin, employee.
Let's just show that.
If you have a set of standard packaging sizes, you can create a custom type for that and reuse it across reusable. Custom types allow you to create.
Here.
Useful when you have hundreds of products and need to filter. Categories let you organize. Categories let you organize your products into groups. Useful when you have hundreds of products and need to filter them quickly. Custom types organize your categories let you organize your products into groups. Useful when you have into groups.
My aunt just got diagnosed that she's oh, okay, that's good. And the doctor said that she will not beat it and that it's the fastest growing tumor they've seen. Oh, okay, so I thought she's cancer free. Okay, so first she got diagnosed that she's cancer free, and then like they realized this isn't correct. Yeah, cancer free, and the doctors say that she will not beat. Oh, but she's currently, but it will be coming back. Yes, so that's probably.
Oops. Useful when.
I don't know how it's called even. I don't remember.
Oops. Useful when you have. Useful when you have hundreds of. Useful when you have hundreds of products. Useful when you have hundreds of products and need to. Useful when you have.
Oh, okay, okay. So I just.
Groups. Useful when you have hundreds.
I will have to show how I'm filtering. They seen the tumor. This. Oh, okay, okay. So yeah, that was the other way around. First, they told her that she will not survive a lot, but that's actually like I heard many of those stories that people actually someone diagnosed something, and then it turned out like with tumor and stuff. Someone diagnosed it, and then it turns out that it was actually bad diagnosis, and like doctors do that often. So like sometimes it's useful to see a couple of doctors with, you know, especially if they have like some sort of doom scenarios. Ooh, you're gonna die. So it's good to ask other one as well. Yeah. I think like doctors are not far. Like some doctors, or maybe most of the doctors, are not that far from like shamans that they used to have in villages. Like the more you actually walk around, more you visit them, they're like, you know, you realize that some of them know nothing about what they are doing. I have like this and it's not a cancer, good. But I have like this buzzing in my ear, and it actually started like a year ago, and I went to like 7 or 8 doctors already. I did like lots of different scans. I did like a brain scan, like I did like lots of different tests, and nothing. No one could find out what it is, and like I can't fix it. Like I just have it. It's always. I don't know why. I don't know how, and like I don't know if I ever gonna fix it. Yeah, smoke break. Come on, like that's a cancer. Tinnitus. Tinnitus. You also have that, like with the buzzing in your ear? Yeah, it started for me. It started like a year ago. Tinnitus. I thought it's just like you have to be around 40 to actually get that kind of stuff. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. 15 to 20% of people. Shit. Oh. Yeah, I feel like I'm just like it's unusual. 15 to 20% of people. That's like I thought it's after some age. It's just kind of you get that, but yeah, it's not fun though. I didn't have that, and I'm getting used to it, but it's annoying. Yeah. How's my music today? Yeah, and when I was telling it to the doctors, first I was actually afraid. Like, is there a fucking cancer? You know, am I gonna die because of the buzzing? And like most of them were just like, you know, it's nothing. Ignore it. You know. Yeah. Okay. If you concentrate. So I actually have one that, you know, for example, now I'm listening to music, so I can actually ignore it. But when I'm just laying down in the bed and it's quiet, I can hear it. That's one of those.
Useful when you have hundreds of products and need to filter them quickly.
Okay, I'll have to show filtering here. This one I don't have now.
Custom types allow you to create reusable field types. For example,
Let's get this one somewhere.
iterate in real time, supplier or products. You can also invite team members.
Do I show how I'm inviting someone? Yeah, good, no problem. Yeah, it's nice to see you anyway. Where's my custom? Okay, here. User management. That's a nice one. Wow, it's almost 1 o'clock. Wow, I've been here for a while. I was going to go ice skating with my daughters, but it seems like they're not. Yeah, okay. That's probably...
Usable field types. For example, if you have a set of standards, you can also invite team members. You can also invite team members, assign roles like admin, supplier, or delivery provider access, and everyone can collaborate in You can also invite team You can also invite team members, assign roles like admin, employee, supplier, or delivery provider access, and like admin, assign roles like admin,
Ah, shit.
You can also invite team members, assign roles like admin, employee.
Okay, so...
Team members, assign roles like admin, employee, members, assign roles like admin, employee, supplier, or delivery provider access. And everyone can collaborate in real time. So, who is Planero for?
Come on.
Focus roles like admin, employee, supplier, like admin, employee, supply, like admin, employee, like admin, employee,
Wow.
like admin, employee, like admin,
Oh, where are you? Where am I? Did I
provider,
open this?
like supply or delivery,
Come on. Did I just go for a break that time?
like admin, employee, supply,
Okay, here I'm not. Okay, like, okay, did I do anything there? Can I like do it here? No. Here, ooh, finally.
like admin, employee,
This one will have to slow
admin,
down.
employee,
Change clip speed. Like 30%.
employee, supplier or delivery provider access, and every supplier or delivery provider access,
Change clip speed. 20%.
provider access, and everyone and everyone can
Oh, okay, this is even better.
be supplier or delivery provider access, and everyone can
Come on, where did I end it? Sometimes I'm just talking and talking. Like,
and everyone can collaborate in real time.
okay, that's
Real
fine.
time. So, who is Planero for?
Okay, this I don't know how to visualize yet, so
If you're a packaging company, wholesaler, distributor, or any business that manages products from multiple suppliers, tracks deliveries to multiple customers, is tired of Excel spreadsheets and phone calls, wants visual, real-time tracking of orders, then Planero is built for you. We offer a 14-day free trial, so you can
okay, like, okay, wait, okay, earlier I was. No, okay. Okay, so am I showing anywhere that I'm... Okay, I think I will... Yeah, okay, that's probably all I have recorded. So I have like a half of it done. I thought I would be actually better today. So like, it's fine, but like I have clips for like half of it. Like let's just go around and see what I'm missing, and then I will apply that there. I will have to record again. So I've got like quite a big gaps here. Yeah, big gap here, big gap here, big gap here. So like, yeah, it's a long way off. I thought I will be actually further today. I thought I would be finishing today, but like also like this, yeah, as I said, I want to cut some corners. I want to like do it quicker, but there are things I just don't want to jump, like, you know.
You can also filter.
Some things I should actually do properly at least, and even like as we had chat earlier with Jason, like, you know, there could be some cool animations here and there. I think I will in some places I will have to zoom in, but that's, yeah, like it's a long way off still, and maybe I should actually write like a proper notes saying, okay, here you zoom in, here you zoom out, and that will actually get me closer. And I have to do zoom in, zoom out, like within the app. Product planner. So when I'm in the app, I should actually do like this kind of stuff. Yes, because then maybe I should actually do it on a high definition screen as well. Like if I had 4K to work with. Yeah, maybe I'll do that. I have other screens, so I'll actually just maybe record it. Can I set this one for 4K? Is my screen 4K? I don't think so actually. Display settings, because like if I had 4K I could just like try to do a 4K browser. Oh, how can I do it? Can I do screen recording 4K? Okay, let's just see my green continue. Can I just set this for 4K? Not here. Change resolution. Oh, I can. No, I don't have 4K. Oh, that's okay. That's above. That's not 4K, obviously. Oh, that's for PC Ultra. This is just HD, full HD. So no, unfortunately, my laptop is not. It's like if I had like 4K recording, then I could zoom in, zoom out, and just make it into high, you know, high definition. That would probably be easier. Okay, I think like I will be finishing for now because I said, yeah, it's 2 hours, and almost there. And I told my daughters that I will take them ice skating. So it's Friday, you know, it's almost a weekend. I will be actually in the evening. I don't know if I will be recording, broadcasting that, but I will still be working on this video, and like it would be good to finish it today, tomorrow, you know, quick, like sooner or later. So if anyone of you just came back, I think I gonna finish at 2 hour mark. And I had a good conversation today. I think I will make a couple of shorts out of what I've recorded. There's a nice poll that I had. Make sure you voted. If you didn't vote, make sure you do. I will actually be talking about that later. And for now, I think I will be going. As I said, I will take my daughters to the ice skating. And then I'll be back, I hope, to do some more work and to finish this video, this bloody video, which I'm already for like, I think I decided to I started on this video like a month ago. So that's a long one. And I've been actually, I've been working on other projects as well. So I have my excuses, but I could have done it by now, I think. So yeah, thanks for coming, guys. It was a great discussion. It was fun to actually work with you. And yeah, I had some that was a good live stream, I think. So yeah, thanks.